Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kentuck M134. Sorry, it's been a while since I uploaded videos on this account. I actually have another account which is Reborn113. It's spelled RE30RN113, and that's for my gaming channel. But anyways, today I'm just showing you um, a PC that I built from scratch. Um, these are actually pretty much hand-me-down from my friend DJ Transformer. He we thought that, well, actually the motherboard is broken, so I can manage or to found a way to fix or get it to turn on. So what I did was I'm not sure if you can see the pin right there. It's kind of like to jump start the computer when it doesn't turn on. So that's the only way I can turn it on. But let me just tell you about the specs of this computer or this rig. It's not high-end gaming PC because it's an old one. The only new one about this is the graphics card, which is this one. But anyway, letting you know about the specs. The motherboard is NVIDIA 680i SLI, which is an old motherboard. CPU is Intel Core 2 dual core, 2.6 gigahertz speed. The graphics card is GTX 780. I mean, not 780, 750 Ti, 2 gig memory. Forgot what the battery power supply is. I'm sorry. And that hard drive is a SeaGate 7200 RPM with 250 gigabyte of storage. But I don't need that much. I only use this for video editing. I don't even play with it. And my keyboard is only regular and an old one. I gave my gaming mouse to my friend, DJ Transformer, and an old monitor here. I don't really care. I only use it for video editing and to record gameplays. But you see, is that here? I'll try and turn it on. Right here, I have to turn it on from the power supply, and the CPU fan, and it actually have to turn it on manually. And as you can see, it only turns on like that. And with the jump start, I'll be able to turn it on with this button right here. So this is a reset. This is the power button right here. So see, that turns on the orange light, and this is my monitor. Just improvise. I don't really care. I just needs to video edit some gameplays, and it shows the Alienware logo, but this is not Alienware anymore. So just letting you guys know. And other than that, I have a 24-inch TV. It's actually 1080p, and also I have a Roxio HD Pro PS4, and that, yep, Reborn113. If you want to check out some gameplays, check it out. And this is my laptop. You guys saw that from my previous video, how to upgrade RAM. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And type in this. I have a Windows 7 because I don't really like Windows 8. And the resolution for this is I don't even know. It's not 720, obviously. It's a really old PC. And yep, that's 1024 by 768. Well, almost 720. But anyways, as you can hear, the fan is really loud because, you know, I had to turn it on manually, so it doesn't really have the smart fan control anymore. So, but you know, I don't care about the sound. You know, this is an old broken motherboard, so you gotta improvise. You know, give me some props there. But anyway, guys, that's about it. Um, you know, if you have any question, just leave down in the comment, and please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.